I've always been interested in solar energy since I was a kid. The fact that we can take an unused asset, which is a roof, and create some value on that without having any of the environmental negative effects that you might get from other forms of energy. But the fact that we can do this here and make this available to everyone, I think is a real accomplishment and, to me, something of beauty. Fairstead is a national multi-housing developer committed to giving people a great place to live. What attracted me about this property is we're doing a very intensive renovation. It meant we were dealing with the building envelope, the lighting, the HVAC systems, the infrastructure, and new roofs. And what that did is that gave us a very, very attractive opportunity to really start to look at solar development for this property. And we also brought in new natural gas service, so we did an oil to gas conversion. So National Grid was also a very significant partner.
We're always looking to try and meet Rhode Island's state energy goals. We work from start to finish to interconnect these solar projects into the grid. I take these projects after they have been applied and screened.
That was submitted in August 2019, and we were approved in September 2019.
We go through a study, a design phase, and a construction phase, and I oversee and facilitate that process.
At the end of the day, this is a construction project, and there's a lot of little stakeholders in construction. There's the residents themselves, the property managers, there's the Town of West Warwick.
You know, we were established, the town that is, in 1913. When we broke away from the city of Warwick, because at the time I think we thought it was cool that we were the urban section. We focused on mills. The town is very diverse. So Echo Valley's been a long-standing partner, if you will. Did not surprise me at all to learn about a renewable energy project.
Echo Valley is home to more than 100 families. There are 11 separate buildings, and we developed solar projects on each of those.
There are a lot of economic impacts of these type of projects, specifically putting the solar on an affordable housing complex.
And through the community solar program, make that available to all residents. So this was a first for us, it was a first for the state, and it was a first for the utility. Rooftops, you really don't have any environmental impact. And then we also look very, very deeply about sustainability improvements, opportunities that we can do at the time of renovation. Energy efficient appliances, low flow water fixtures, LED lighting, controls, air sealing, seal the apartments and make sure there's no unwanted infiltration. What we had when we came in here was an oil-fired system that had a separate heating system and a separate hot water system. If we have heat and no hot water, then residents really can't stay in place. And if we have hot water and no heat, then residents really can't stay in place. When we redesigned the boiler system, we redesigned it in a way that provided an innovative design that provided greater resiliency between the heat and hot water systems. When we acquire a property, one of the things we believe is this is a once-in-a-building lifetime opportunity to really evaluate and improve systems. This project was really a partnership between us, the Town of West Warwick, National Grid, and Rhode Island Housing.
We all work together, and the end result is we try to put out a good product and a safe and enjoyable place to live, work, and play.
I think this project and projects like this make Rhode Island a better place by providing more clean, renewable energy that's made available to the grid, which improves the environment and also, frankly, the resiliency of the grid itself.